From the highest skyscrapers to life-saving surgical tools, there is one metal that does it all. Have you ever wondered how a single alloy can survive extreme corrosion while maintaining incredible strength? Today, we are diving deep into the science behind stainless steel's unmatched versatility. Let's start with the basics. Stainless steel isn't just regular metal. It is an alloy defined by at least 10.5% chromium, which creates a passive oxide layer that prevents rust. This unique chemical structure gives it its signature resistance to oxidation, setting the foundation for its widespread use across 7 major industrial sectors. The real magic happens in its classifications. Engineers select from different grades based on specific needs. 4. Austenitic grades offer superior ductility and formability, making them perfect for complex shapes, while martensitic grades provide higher hardness and strength for cutting tools and structural components that demand durability. Now let's look at the evidence of its power. Innovations like Ujima X are already setting new standards in machining performance, proving that this material can withstand aggressive processing without losing integrity. This durability ensures that once an object is made from stainless steel, it retains its quality for decades. You see this versatility in action every day. In the construction industry, it withstands harsh weather, while in healthcare, its non-porous surface prevents bacterial growth, ensuring patient safety. From food processing equipment to high-performance automotive parts, stainless steel adapts to the most demanding environments we can create. The implications of this material are profound for global infrastructure. Because it requires less maintenance and has a longer lifespan than many alternatives, industries save billions in replacement costs annually. This economic efficiency combined with environmental sustainability makes it the preferred choice for modern engineering projects worldwide. To summarize, stainless steel is not just a passive building block, it is an active solution to the problem of material degradation. With its balance of corrosion resistance, strength, and formability, it continues to shape industries and set new standards for what metals can achieve in our modern world. So there you have it, a metal that defies corrosion and powers our future. What is your favorite application of stainless steel in daily life? Let me know in the comments below if you want to see more deep dives into industrial materials.